Swiggity swiggity!
What that booty?
Oh shit.
I can't see that part.
Building's clear.
Watch the window. Watch the window.
Fuck, I can't see him from here. I can see him from that window. Damn. That sounded like it hurt.
Yeah, ran out there like I shot you, eh?
Yeah, man, X-ray.
Hey, does the ref need bonus points? Only
Yeah.
if it's Johnny. I can see that fucker from over that side, but not on this window here.
Oh fuck, one just moved.
So, you got a guy in the alleyway right here. I just saw his barrel poke out right in front of you.
Look at the guy that just moved right there.
Gotcha.
Hey, he moved across your building.
Yeah, man, and me.
Swiggity swiggity.
There you go.
Got him. Got the import team guy in the very back.
You got it, tree. Tree in front of me.
Negative.
Got it, tree in front of me.
Wait.
The biggest one in front of me. Hey, keep them suppressed. I'm gonna do some really stupid ones. Keep them suppressed, right?
Gotcha. Shit. Oh, there you go.
Whoa! Whoa, come on, man. Right here. Fuck, dude. Shit. There's one in the ice building that's like right there. Hey, no blind firing. What are you doing?
Oh, right in the
Hey,
dome.
blind firing. Hey, watch it.
I just got two fucking guys in one shot. Let me know when you go.
Get in that window right there. And watch that building.
You're shooting me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Watch it. No, yeah,
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna come back for it. Stand by.
See if I can go around the right side. Oh, look at that spider.
That spider. Yeah.
No longer a problem.
There's one that keeps on popping out over there.
Far left corner.
Hey, I need a spotter over here.
Gotcha. I got
Can't
a.
see where he's hitting, or where he's shooting from, but he's hitting right here.
Hope I see him. Far left, beside to the farthest corner you can get without going around the spools.
Well, he's hitting me right here.
Okay, he's in the very far back corner back there. He's directly behind Jesse.
Hey, distract him. Distract him.
Yeah.
You gotta pop out.
I think it is. Somebody just walked off. See if I can get this damn.
Oh yeah, what's up, man? How's it going?
I'm gonna see if I can get in this window right here. Jackson, watch it. I've already killed him. Let me see if I can get in this building.
What?
See if I can get in that building.
I think I ate a bug.
Guys, push right, push right. Guys, push, push, push. Got another one. Hey, he's to the left of Jesse. Damn it. It was a bad time to run out of ammo. Bobo, Bobo. We gotta see if we can go outside here.
He's hit.
Hit.
He's hit.
You're back. Hey guys, if you push hard, you can get it. See if I can get back in this building. Guys, come on.
Oh, you fucking dick.
Joy right there.
You want me to hop in front?
8 minutes.
Nice. Fucking nice.
Badass.
Watch out, inside. Walk out. About the truck and respawn.
Go around the bunker. Hey, take the bunker. Jeez. Good job, dude. Watch beside the truck, right side of the truck. Goddamn nags. Crit Jackson, get in the bunker and see if you can get the right side of the truck.
I already got one up there.
I do. They're on the back corner of that truck. Watch the window! Do what? No. Watch the window in the back. I'm gonna see if I can move up to the side of that building.
Okay.
Ready?
3,
You wanna follow behind me? Where are you gonna go?
3,
I'll face left, you face right on that wall. Ready?
1, go.
God damn, dude. God damn. Semi-auto. Jesus, fuck.
Let's run.
Fuck. Full auto right in the fucking back. Charge him, guys! Respawn's dead!
Respawn's down? Oh,
Yep.
fuck yeah.
God, that hurt. Full auto right in the back, dude. Jesus, fuck, that hurt. Yep. Holy shit, it's stinging. All right. On the corner?
Coming out. Look out. That man coming out.
Hit.
Good shit.
Right side was aggressive, this side was not. 10 guys, like, and then, like, the 2 ran up from full auto.
Yeah, that shit hurt too.
Lesson learned. I give her the benefit of doubt, just like it's a new player she didn't play off.
Yeah.
But that worked out really well. Yeah. That's what happened.
What's up, man?
Who was with you, like, next to you on the left?
I got full auto right in the back. Like, first thought 3 seconds. Just held the trigger down. I'm like, fuck. Oh,
Like, shut off the battery. It started vibrating.
that's not good. Just never done that before.
I was using full auto pretty heavily.
That one dude started.
Might have got hot.
He doesn't even realize I was there.
I just went like, oh, I still need to put it.
We both missed each other, but think I shot
Who'd you shoot, Bob?
I seen a guy out there, I was just like, pop. I was like, oh shit, I'm gone. Yeah, there's only one dude up there, too. The guy saw it.
Oh,
There was a guy, like
He ran out in front of everybody.
the two inches
You all lit him up. All of them.
Good.
And the ref's like, dude, you got hit way before you even fired anything.
Yeah, some of them try that whole reflex shot.
Purple dude ran out in front of everybody, and he's like, did I get that guy? And the ref's like, no. Everybody hit you long before you fucking got it. Here's finding that little dark area right there, and going through. When he gets his dusting out, I'd run.
Dude, I was full out on his ass. The whole way he was running mad. The whole way. I was like, is he gonna call hit sometime?
Can you put that back on my backpack?
On your back?
Backpack. Well, I took it off to see if I can put the axe on there, but I didn't get it
That was a
right.
good fucking run, man.
Yeah, thank you. That was awesome.
I found myself out of fucking batteries. I wanted to do this little thing.
Oh, damn, that bitch. When we were going on the side of the truck, to the side of the building when I went with
I think I
Dustin.
shot at you, I'm
Yeah.
sorry.